Number 2, this is like the natural progression maybe, but let's talk about tactics now. That was my kind of like, this is your second pillar of your business. I was motivated a lot, so then that motivated me to start learning very surface level things, tactics, how to do something, how to post a video, how to set up a live stream, how to start a Snapchat account. All of those things were very surface level. How to start a vlog, how to get the 5 pieces of gear you need to have for the best vlog ever. Like those kind of like very tactical things, how to do step by step. And it's a natural progression. I get it. If you're young and you don't know the tactics, you have to learn the tactics. If you want to be an editor, if you want to be a videographer or cinematographer, you have to learn Adobe and how to shoot and how to work with cameras and how to light. Those are very tactical things, and but what you become, you're not running a business. You're got the one pillar, you're motivated, and now you're moving on to tactics. Like now you know how to do things, but you're not running a business yet. You're still just a practitioner. You are still kind of not like a day laborer is not the right word, but you would be hired as just like the low man on the totem pole. Like, okay, I know how to video edit, so I can run my own video editing company business. And it's like, no, you are the technician. You know how to do this thing. And a great book I want you guys to check out, and I should have like linked it in the show notes, but go read the E-Myth Revisited, and it talks about these kind of 3 things. There's the entrepreneur, and maybe I'll talk about this more, but there's the entrepreneur, there's the manager, and then there's the technician. If you just know how to do the tactics, if you just know how to do step-by-step, I know how to assemble this object, I know how to assemble this video, I know how to color grade this photo, I know how to shoot this photo, that is very tactical, very surface level, and you will get hired by companies, and maybe, low ticket clients will hire you, but you're going to start to run into some roadblocks. And that's where I started to run into. I was like, I got so focused on the tactics. Like the more I have to learn, if I learn more, or the more I learn, then I'll know how to really kick ass. Or like if I'm just this expert and just like keep pushing further and further into like tactical expertise, then I'll get better at my business, and I didn't. So you have to watch out for that. The same with motivation. You can overdose on motivation. You can also overdose on the tactics.